Hello everyone, this is Etsy from forexpreparation.com. Today is Monday the 22nd of October. It is 2:30 London time and the market is open. Okay, we had a big movement this morning. We can see it's throughout the most currency pairs. We have some major releases coming out of Australia, the producer price indexes, and I believe this is pretty much what is important today from a fundamental point of view. Now let's look at the technicals. Last week I mentioned about the divergence that might form on the daily chart of the euro dollar, and this is what actually happened. It was a good thing if you got advantage of it, because this pair has fallen since then about 200 pips. Okay, if we go to a daily chart, the thing that I mentioned last week is that, first of all, let's get a relative strength indicator, is that if we have a price action above this peak, or if prices close above this peak, then we are expecting to see a divergence between our price chart, which is right here, and our indicator, like that. Okay, this is the thing that happens, and on a 1 hour chart we can see that we still have another divergence here, which is a confirmation of our daily view. Okay, so this was our initial support target, which was broken already today, and then our next important support zone is 1.4150, which has already been touched. Okay, we have another significant area, which is right here at 1.4020, and pretty much we're expecting to see price falling down to at least this level in the near future. Okay, if we go back to a 8 hours time scale, we can see some more support levels, and at the same time potential targets for the euro dollar pair. This is our first initial target, as we said, 1.4050. Then we have another one, which is set by this little peak here at 1.3900, and this is again a very important psychological level, because this is an even number. Okay, then we have another support level set by these peaks here. It's 1.3820 approximately. Okay, if we change the currency pair and we go to a British pound dollar, we'll see the same thing happening here too, because of the currency pair correlation. And we have a positive correlation between British pound dollar and the euro dollar. Or what I mean by positive correlation is that if we spot one of those two pairs falling down, then the other pair is going to follow what has happened with the other pair. Or in our case, if euro dollar falls, then the British pound dollar is going to fall also. This is not a 100% overlap, but in most cases, if one of the currency pairs falls down, then the other one is going to follow it. Okay, from a daily perspective, we can see that again we have a divergence forming on this chart also, between between the price chart and the indicator. Okay, if we go to a weekly time scale, then most probably we are going to see another small divergence forming here. Okay, if we connect those two peaks, we will see that we have a little slope, and then if we a little negative slope, and then if we connect those peaks here, we have a positive slope, and again we have our divergence forming on the weekly chart. It is a pretty tiny divergence, but in many cases such divergences are very important. If we change the chart type to line chart, and we draw this line here, we'll see that we have a break below this line, and this appears to be a channel in which our currency is traveling. Then another channel might be this one, which hasn't been broken yet. Okay, you construct those lines like that. Alright, so in order to see a significant change of trend, we need to first spot a break below this level, which is our initial price target on the weekly time scale. If we see our price falling below this level, or 1.960. Then if our price falls below this level, then it is going to break also this lower boundary of our channel, which means that our pair is ready to change from a bullish to a bearish perspective. Okay, let's go back to a 1 hour chart. What we see here, okay, we have our first support zone set by those lows here. It's approximately 2,300. Then our next support zone is set on this level, which is 2,260. Okay, for today we have a fall of let's see, the high of the day was 2.0520, so we have around 210 pips up to this moment. Alright, so if we go to a 5 minutes time scale, we can more precisely set our entry point, or in other words, if we draw this support level set by these lows here and also by these lows, which is quite coincident, then we can see that this place here must have been our entry point. And pretty much this is what we can say about this this pair for today. Most of the price action has been over, and most probably this pair would retrace a little of its downfall, but then it's not going to be a major retracement, and we're expecting to see more. We're expecting to see more bearish bias to the downside to at least test those levels of support, which are right here. It's 1.9900, which is actually most probably a target which could be met within several days, and then another target is here. And let's not forget about this channel in which our currency is trading, or this lower boundary here, which right now is at the 2000 area. Okay, thank you very much.